Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another video on the channel. I got a couple updates for you guys. Sorry I haven't uploaded that much, but this coming weekend we got a car meet that we as car crew, Tomodachi Division, is finally holding. It's one of our first car meets that we're actually going to host. So I'll definitely be recording that and hopefully posting it on YouTube in the next couple weeks here. But today I'm coming at you with another install for the GR Corolla. Big power. I'm just kidding, nothing crazy. So I have here a OEM Plus mod once again. It is a Tom's Super Ram 2 Street Tom's High Performance Sports Filter. So pretty excited to install this. To be honest, I bought this just because I wanted a little bit more turbo noises and whooshy noises. So hopefully we hear that after the install. I'll do a startup and rev or intake noises stock. Sorry, train's coming by. We'll do a stock startup first, see what it sounds like from the factory, and then we'll put my toms, and then we'll see if there's any major differences. So yeah, and also another quick update. My brother got a new car, and I'll just show you guys. It is a 2020 Honda Civic Si Coupe. And it's crazy seeing this car here because, as some of you guys know, my very first car was also a Honda Civic Si Coupe. The 2015. It was my first ever car, and I love that car, and it's kind of cool seeing this car here. Basically, the next generation above it. Mine was a 9th, his is a 10th. And we'll probably dig in more to it a little bit through the coming weeks, because I'm teaching him how to drive, and this is his first sports car, first manual car, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. So anyways, let's open this box up and get to the install video. Alright guys, so here's the box. Nothing crazy. It got dinged up a little bit on my way here. It came in super fast from Japan. And here's the air filter. Here's a little nice screenshot or pause for you guys who own the GR Corolla and want to put this on your own. Funny thing is, this isn't meant for the GR Corolla, but it is actually meant for the GR Yaris. So I really don't know if this actually fits, but I mean, the GR Yaris and the GR Corolla, same exact engine, more or less so. And I mean, this should fit up just fine. And let's go install it. So obviously, first things first, pop the hood open. Air filter is right here. So there's two clips, one over here, the other right here. You pop that open, comes out the filter, and then we'll go straight into the install. Alright guys, without further ado, let's get straight into it. Let's open this bad boy up. I want to keep the OEM filter still because it literally only has 2,500 miles on there. So we're going to keep it. Alright, so I'm going to take this bad boy out. Pretty standard air filter. Nothing too crazy there. And here is the new Tom's air filter. Compare that to size. Thinner. Let's just hope and pray that it pops right in. which I think it does. Alright, so it does pop in. No issues. Alright. Now let's put this bag back in. There's two little prongs in the back that you have to make sure that you're aligning right. Clips right in. Just like that. Alright. Let's put this one in the bag and let's start it up and see how it sounds. As you can see, quick install. My brother was there to listen to it. What do you think?
It's like,
like that. I couldn't hear anything, but when I edit this, maybe I'll hear it. But look at this boy. This man got the SI.
Still can't drive it though.
Dang. We'll be teaching him soon, and we'll make a video out of it. But yeah, we'll do a what is it called? Like a walk around on this car, breakdown. And yeah, this is a pretty sick car. I like this car a lot. Nice and roomy. And sporty looking. This is the last coupe that they'll ever make. Oh, they ever made. They cut off the coupe with the 11th gen. The 10th gen is the last Honda Civic Si coupe that they'll ever make, which is pretty cool that we have one. So yeah, pretty nice. Alright guys, well that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for more, I guess. Right, Kyle?